Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will explore how to run Gemma 4 models locally on our machine using Ollama. We will install Ollama on our machine and will also test Google Gemma 4 effective 2B model with OpenClaw and Ollama. So I will explain you how you can install Ollama on your local machine, and then we will go ahead and explore Gemma 4. So first look at the Gemma 4 model card. Google DeepMind has released Gemma 4. Gemma is a family of open source models built by Google DeepMind. Gemma 4 models are multimodal models that can handle text, image, video, audios as input and can generate text in the output. Gemma 4 models are available in various sizes, which include edge models and workstation models. Edge models include effective 2B and effective 4B models. The E in E2B and E4B stands for effective parameters and are made for edge device deployment. Workstation models include 26B, A4B mixture of experts model and 31B dense models. These models are designed for the 26B mixture of experts model and 31B dense models. These both models are designed for frontier intelligence, and 26B is a mixture of experts model with 4 billion active parameters, and 31B is our dense model and it is optimized for output quality. Gemma 4 models are open source models under Apache 2.0, which means anyone can use, modify, and build with these models commercially. Gemma 4 models can accept text, images, videos, audios, and as input and can generate text output. So Gemma 4 models introduces key capability and architecture advancements, which include reasoning, extended multimodalities, like it can process text images with various aspect ratio and resolution support. It can also handle video and audio. Okay, so this is a quick overview of Gemma 4 models. So as I told you in the start that we will be running Gemma 4 model locally on our machine using Ollama. So you can simply download Ollama from ollama.com, and you can go to downloads and you can just sign up with your Google account for here. And if you have a Windows, you can download for Windows. If you have a Linux, you can just use this and download for Linux. And if you have a Mac OS, you can download for Mac OS by clicking on this link. Okay, so I have a Windows and I have Windows 11, so it requires Windows 10 or later. You can simply click on download on Windows. The exe file will start downloading. After it downloads, simply you can run this exe file and Ollama setup will be complete. And if you just go to Ollama documentation, they have a Gemma 4 section in which they have explained how you can run Gemma 4 model using Ollama, and they have also explained how you can test it Google Gemma 4 model with Ollama and with OpenClaw and Ollama. So we will be running Gemma 4 model locally on our machine using Ollama, and we will also test Google Gemma 4 E2B model like this model with OpenClaw and Ollama. So let's get started with this. So let me just open the command prompt over here. So now you can see over here, I have opened the command prompt. So after you run the .exe file of Ollama, first you need to check if Ollama is installed and it's working fine. So I'm just checking the version of Ollama. So it's 0.20.0. So we have the latest version of Ollama installed. So let's see, first we'll run Gemma 4 model with Ollama. So I will just write over here and I just want to run E2B model. So this will take some time. If you have not downloaded this model locally on your machine using Ollama, so the first this model download will start. So this will take some time. Actually, the model size is around 7.2 GB. So this will take quite some time. So I have already downloaded this E2B model. So you can see that downloading does not take time. If I just please explain quantum computing. So this is the question which I've asked, or this is my input query. So they have demonstrated the complete thinking process over here. Okay. After this, we will be seeing a detailed response. So now you can see that we are just running Gemma 4e to be effective to be model locally on our machine using Ollama. After this, we will test Google Gemma for effective to be model with OpenClaw. So let's get started with this. So here you can see can see all the thinking process that's happening in the background. So after this, I will launch OpenClaw, and in the backend, I will be using Gemma for a effective 2B model. Okay, so you can see we have the complete thinking process being listed down over here. So let's wait for it to finish up, and then we'll see the output. And our question is, please explain quantum computing. So it is taking some time, so that's normal. So now you can see quantum computing is not just a faster version of classical computing, it's a fundamental different way of processing information based on the laws of quantum mechanics. While classical computers process information by moving along a single path, quantum computers use the strange, powerful rules of the subatomic world to process vast amount of information simultaneously. Okay, here is the breakdown of what quantum computer is and how it works and why it matters. So here we have the foundation, classical versus quantum. Okay, so we have the classical computing defined over here, and now here we have defined the quantum computing. So that looks quite good. So you can see we are getting a very detailed response over here. So now you can see it does not wait for the complete response to be generated, and then it displays the output. So now you can see that as the output generates, it displays the output over here. So this is quite good. So let's wait for the complete output to be generated over here. So now you can see that it's providing a very detailed response over here. For my input query, explain quantum computing. Okay. So Gemma 4 E2B and other models perform exceptionally well. They outperforms many other open source models, and Gemma 4 models natively supports over 140 languages. So now you can see that we are getting a very detailed response. So let's wait for it to complete up. Now you can see over here, I'm getting a very detailed response for my input query. Explain what is quantum computing. And you can see over here, we have got the summary table over here. We have the applications. We have the how computers work. So we are getting a very detailed response. So now I will just exit from here. So now going ahead, we will see and test Google Gemma or effective 2B model with OpenClaw using Ollama. So I will just copy this from here and I will just paste this over here. So, okay, I have just made another mistake. I will be using effective 2B model, which is already downloaded. So now I will just proceed over here. It's starting the gateway. So this will take few more seconds before it launches the gateway. So let's wait for a few seconds. So I will just open the web UI. So you can see over here, we have the web UI of the OpenClaw. You can chat over here. You can ask any question. You can connect with agents over here. You can add any number of agents. You can add different skills over here. You can add search for the built-in skills over here. You can find a lot of these. Okay, so you can have multiple sessions over here as well. I have my previous WhatsApp being connected with my OpenClaw. So OpenClaw is basically your personal AI assistant. You can connect WhatsApp or Telegram or any other channels with it, and you can have as many agents you want to have over here. You can add different skills over here as well. They also provide built-in skills, and you can create your own custom skills over here as well. And now you can see over here, we have connected OpenClaw with Ollama using Ollama, and over here in the backend we are using Google Gemma 4 effective 2B model. So we have tested Google Gemma 4 effective 2B model with OpenClaw and Ollama. So that's all from this tutorial. In this video tutorial, we have explored how to run Gemma 4 models locally on our machine using Ollama. So that's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching.